Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to neutral a Honda Civic. Placing your vehicle in neutral disengages the engine from the wheels, allowing it to roll freely. This can be useful in specific situations, such as when towing or pushing the car a short distance. We will cover the straightforward steps for both automatic and manual models, ensuring you understand the proper and safe method to engage neutral. It is a simple process once you know the correct technique. For Honda Civics with an automatic transmission, the process is quite simple. First, bring your vehicle to a complete stop and keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Then, locate the gear selector lever, typically found between the front seats. Gently move the lever from its current position, such as drive or park, directly into the N position. You should see the N indicator light up on your dashboard, confirming it is in neutral. If your Honda Civic has a manual transmission, the steps are slightly different. Begin by fully depressing the clutch pedal with your left foot. With the clutch engaged, move the gear stick to the central position, which is the neutral gate. You will feel it disengage from any gear. Once confirmed, you can slowly release the clutch pedal. Always ensure the car is on a level surface or that you are prepared to use the brake to prevent rolling. Knowing when to use neutral is as important as knowing how. It is primarily for situations like pushing your car a short distance or preparing for a tow. Never shift into neutral while driving at speed, as this removes engine braking and can be dangerous. Also, avoid the common misconception of coasting in neutral to save fuel. Modern engines are more efficient in gear. Always engage the parking brake if you leave the vehicle in neutral, especially on any incline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.